Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural ingredients and their incredible health benefits. Have you ever wondered how ginger root can soothe your stomach or how aloe vera can boost your skin's glow? Each ingredient has unique advantages, from garlic's immune-boosting properties to cilantro's detoxifying effects. We'll also explore the wonders of cat's claw for inflammation, chamomile for relaxation, cinnamon for blood sugar control, and dandelion for liver health. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to incorporate these powerful ingredients into your daily routine. So stick around as we uncover the secrets to enhancing your health naturally. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Ginger root is a powerhouse of health benefits that can significantly enhance your well-being. One of its most notable features is its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce pain and swelling. Additionally, ginger is renowned for aiding digestion, making it a go-to remedy for upset stomachs and bloating. Ginger can be a game changer if you struggle with nausea or motion sickness, providing relief and comfort. Beyond these benefits, ginger also has the potential to boost your immune system, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be a simple yet powerful way to support your overall health and vitality. Aloe vera is a remarkable natural ingredient celebrated for its numerous health benefits. One of its standout features is its skin healing properties, making it an excellent remedy for treating burns and soothing irritated skin. Whether you've had a sunburn or a minor cut, aloe vera can provide quick relief and promote healing. Beyond skincare, aloe vera is also beneficial for digestion. It can soothe the gut and help alleviate issues like bloating and constipation. This succulent plant is known for its hydrating qualities, making it a fantastic choice for improving skin health. By incorporating aloe vera into your routine, you can enjoy its refreshing benefits inside and out, enhancing your overall wellness. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerful ally for your health. One of its key benefits is its role in promoting heart health. Garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Additionally, garlic boasts impressive antimicrobial properties, which can help boost your immune system and fend off infections. Regular consumption of garlic may also contribute to reducing cholesterol levels, further supporting overall heart health. With its rich array of nutrients and health benefits, incorporating garlic into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your well-being and promote a healthier lifestyle. Chamomile is a beloved herbal remedy known for its soothing effects. One of its most popular uses is promoting restful sleep, making it an excellent choice for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. A warm chamomile tea before bed can help you unwind and prepare for a peaceful slumber. In addition to its sleep benefits, chamomile boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for calming an upset stomach. Furthermore, chamomile has the potential to reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being, providing a sense of tranquility in our busy lives. Incorporating chamomile into your routine can enhance both your physical and mental health. Cinnamon is not just a delicious spice, it also offers a range of impressive health benefits. One of its key roles is regulating blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. Cinnamon can help keep blood sugar levels in check by improving insulin sensitivity. Additionally, this aromatic spice is rich in antioxidants, which can support heart health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Its anti-inflammatory effects further enhance overall health, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your health while enjoying its warm, comforting flavor in various dishes. Dandelion is often seen as a pesky weed, but it boasts a wealth of health benefits that can enhance your well-being. One of its most notable features is its detoxifying properties, particularly its role in promoting liver health. Dandelion helps to cleanse the liver, supporting its function in filtering toxins from the body. Additionally, this remarkable plant can aid digestion by stimulating appetite and improving gut health, making it an excellent choice for those experiencing digestive discomfort. Dandelion is also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall wellness. By incorporating dandelion into your diet through teas or salads, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits while embracing this often overlooked superfood. This video explored the incredible health benefits of various natural ingredients, including ginger root, aloe vera, garlic, cilantro, cat's claw, chamomile, cinnamon, and dandelion. Each ingredient offers unique advantages, from ginger's anti-inflammatory properties to aloe vera's skin-healing effects and garlic's immune-boosting capabilities. We encourage you to incorporate these powerful ingredients into your daily diet to enhance your health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can promote a healthier lifestyle and continue exploring the wonders of natural remedies. Thank you for watching.